Hello, my friends. Happy Tuesday. Hope you are all doing well today. It is a gorgeous day in Northern California, so I hope if you do live in the Northern California, you are enjoying this beautiful spring-like weather. I'm just making sure that my live shows up on my Facebook page, but as you come in, say hello. I just need to get to my comment section. Hello, Patty. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday, my friends. Today is Tuesday, February 18th, and welcome back to another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jenny. I've had a few new people join me on my Facebook page, so welcome in if you are new. And for those of you that are new, let me introduce myself. My name is Tammy Savello, and welcome to Cards by TLC. I am a San Francisco. I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator out of the San Francisco Bay Area, and I'm so happy to have you here today. Well, we have about 10 days left of the Sale-a-bration brochure, so Jenny and I thought it would be super fun to create everything all about Sale-a-bration today. So today's project, we are playing with all level 1 products, which is a $60 purchase in an online store. But we are playing with, I am playing with the Pick a Season stamp set. So cute. It's a nice photopolymer stamp that gives you all of the holidays. And then I'm pairing it with the day to celebrate. I'm using the sentiment, it's a good day to celebrate. I am using this adorable toadstool paper. At first, I was not too keen on this paper, but if you kind of flip it over to the other side, what we call the B side, that's more manageable for my eye. And the toadstool is cute in smaller portions. And if you love mushrooms and toadstools and whimsical things, this is fun as well. So this paper is what we are using on our project today. We are also using the Fresh Freesia seam binding ribbon and the purple adhesive backed dots. So let me get this stuff out of the way, and we will dive into the project. The project is super cute in my opinion. I might be biased, but it is, we are playing with the Easter eggs. Now I know that St. Patty's Day is the next holiday, but I have already played with the St. Patrick's Day themed on my live this past Saturday. So if you missed those projects, be sure to hit up my YouTube channel at Cards by TLC. So you'll be able to see the replay on those items. But this is a nice springy type card. I absolutely loved it. I loved how the paper and everything just tied in nicely. I didn't decorate the inside on this one, but we are going to decorate the inside of the one that we create today, as well as decorating our envelopes. That is a new thing for me to do on my lives now, is decorate my envelopes. And please tell me, okay, good. So we have a standard card base, Fresh Freesia that is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have a the Toadstool Designer paper already pre-cut at 4 by 5 1/4, one for the outside, and 4 by 5 1/4, one for the inside, because we're going to decorate the inside with that today. And then our basic white, which is typically 4 by 5 1/4, I actually cut that down to 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then our front designer paper is cut at 2 inches by 5 1/4. I know, I love this color combo, Patty. It's so pretty. And then we're going to decorate our envelope flap with This is 2.5 by 6. So we'll just cut off the excess on that. And then for our square, our main square, or our matte square, is cut at 3.25 by 3.25. And then our focal point is cut at 3 by 3. And our cute little hexagon shape actually comes from the Something Fancy dies. So I used that little hexagon. So let's go ahead and start diving in. We're just going to go ahead and start adhering our panel pieces, because that's just quick and easy and done. And then we will do our stamping. I absolutely fell in love with this color combo. It was just kind of like looking at the designer paper. I was like, oh, I like those colors together. They're nice and soft and springy in my opinion. So like I said, we're going to put this panel on the inside. This is a great way to use up your designer paper, to do kind of like, that might be kind of fun too. You know, when you flip something over. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we should go with the toadstool kind of like background? It's just a shade lighter. Or should we stick the stripes to match? So let me know it if you're in my live chat. Hello, Debbie. Welcome in. You almost turned on the vacuum cleaner when you saw my live. Well, I'm so happy you're here and watching live. So if you're in the live chat, which one do you think? Do you guys think you like the stripes or kind of the mushroom toadstool? Stripes? Stripes. Okay. I want everything to be matchy-matchy, and since we're doing the stripes on the envelopes, we got to go with the stripes on the inside. There we go. And another fun shape, if you have the perennial postage dies, you could die cut that out and it would give you kind of like a textured layer rather than just your typical square or rectangle layer. So there is the inside. Perfect. And then we will go ahead and adhere our panels to the outside and do our stamping. I am typically not a tree person I know a lot of people love the tree bundles, but I have actually grown to start loving the tree bundles, especially this one. This one was super fun to do, but my love for things have changed. Like I am crafting more with flowers, and typically I do the cutesy type images that are a lot of coloring, but I've grown to love just designer paper. Speaking of designer paper, I am doing a one sheet wonder class that is opening up this coming weekend. So be sure to come back here to my Facebook page. If you don't follow me on my blog post, go to cardsbytlc.com and hit subscribe to my newsletter, and you'll get all of the details coming out for my upcoming one sheet wonder. I'm taking actually not one, but 2 pieces of 12 by 12 designer paper and making 22 cards. So giving you 22 different card ideas with the same sketch. Hi, Joan. Welcome in. Sorry, I was just reading comments. So I'm going to go ahead and do my stamping, but first and foremost, I'm going to give my background some sky. I originally did green down here for the grass, but I didn't like that it didn't give it the proper color for the Easter eggs. I wanted those cute little Easter eggs to pop out and not be hidden in the green. So I decided to not blend out green, but I am gonna do my sky. And I am using Balmy Blue for my sky, my typical go-to for my sky. Then I'm going to come in with the cute little grass stamp and Granny Apple Green and stamp my little grass. Oh, we have a lot of Washington people in the chats. So happy to have you guys here. Then I'm just gonna do the cute, am I in frame? Yeah. Do the cute little grass at the bottom. And then I am going to go ahead and do my tree first and then go in with my cute little Easter eggs. So my tree trunk is in pecan pie. Let's get that. I'm going to kind of go as low as I can because the tree kind of went off the top part of that, but that is perfectly fine. It still works out great. And then I'm going to come in back with my Granny Apple Green and do my tree. Now, when you look at the tree, it's a little awkward, but what I like to do is I like to take the bottom part of the tree right here on this leaf and line that up with the branches on the tree trunk. And I'm gonna kind of go down here. If my head gets in the camera, I apologize. And see how it does come off of the thing, but that's just because this is just a little bit larger than a 3x3 square. This is probably like 3 3/4. I know, it's really cute for St. Patty's Day, Debbie. It would be really fun to do a St. Patty's Day card. Maybe I'll do one after the live and do kind of like the same concept. But I did already play with St. Patrick's Day, but the St. Patty's Day stamp in this is so, so cute. But since I didn't have any Easter stuff yet, I wanted to just go ahead and pair off of these color combos. So I'm just coming in with the fresh freesia and adding the cute little Easter eggs. And I'm adding them to the grass like they fell out of the tree and you're going on an Easter egg hunt. Really, really cute. Oh, and then I gotta stamp my sentiments. It's a good day to celebrate. And like I said, the hexagon came from the Something Fancy dies. There we go. And then we will attach our square to our other square. Let that sit there for a minute and dry. And then this is a nice little layout. This pretty much would go with any stamp for the most part. Makes a great focal point. This is one of my favorite layouts, and it goes really, really nice when you have two complementary designer papers. Then I'm going to come in here, and I could have used a glue dot, but my glue dots are somewhere else. I just added some seal, and then I pre-tied my bow off camera because I do so much better when it's off. So cute. Let's bring it down just a bit. And then I'm going to come in with my purple sequins. These are super duper cute. I think I stuck this one up here. Yeah. And baby one down there. And there we have it, my friends, our cute little Easter card. It would be fun to stamp Happy Easter on the inside of that, or the ephemera pieces that I showed on my live on Saturday would be fantastic. They have a Happy Easter in there as well, and you can add that to the inside. But that concludes my project for today. I'm so glad that you love it. Yes, these are all the free items for Sale-a-bration. Joan, let me just quickly pull in my brochure. They're all the level 1s. So I used the Day to Celebrate, and we used the Toadstool designer paper. We used the Fresh Freesia seam binding ribbon and the Pick a Season bundle or stamp set, and then the gems. So all of those are in the Sale-a-bration, and we decided, Jenny and I are using everything Sale-a-bration today. So please be sure to come back to oh, you better dig through your counter, find this stamp set. Exactly. Forget adulting, Debbie. Let's go ahead and craft. That's the best part. But please be sure to join Jenny on her Facebook page today. That's Stampin' with Jen, with 2 N's in Stampin' and 2 N's in Jen, and she'll be on at 4 p.m. Pacific today. So I hope you can join her on her live. But thank you again for joining me for another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jenny. And next Tuesday, we bring back our scrapbooking trio with Patty, Jenny, and I doing our scrapbook Meant to Be. So please be sure to join in at 9, 11, and 4 next week on our pages. And then I hope that you all can join me Saturday on my YouTube channel at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And I think we're going to still be playing with some Sale-a-bration items. We might be incorporating some new stuff, but I got to figure out what I want to play with. And I hope to see you all at the end of the week. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.